I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Logitech Pro HD webcam. So this is a really small webcam that you can mount on top of your monitor, and it's got excellent optics on the lens itself, and it's got microphones built into the sides. It captures video in a full 1080p HD, so really high quality HD video coming in off of this. And you can see it's got the blue lights on, indicating that I am recording on it right now. And I use this for live streaming. It's great for Zoom calls, for presentations. Because it's Logitech, you know, the quality of the optics are going to be excellent. It handles low light really well, especially. So if you don't have a video light or anything, you can actually still, use this with a relatively low light setting. And because it is HD, you're going to get a much better quality of image out of it than you would if you were just using the built-in webcam on your computer or the cam on your phone. It's easy to mount too. It's got this little kind of shaped thing here. You can move this around, customize it to the fit on top of your monitor. You can even angle this up and down to get the right angle on you, and it plugs in via USB. You can then pull it up in, again, Zoom, Skype, any of the kinds of programs you'd want to use to do a live video chat. You can also stream from it if you want to YouTube or Twitch or any of the streaming networks. So it's definitely a good camera for that kind of use as well. Now let's take a quick minute to see what this actually looks like when you're recording from it. So here I am on Zoom, and I put the output of that camera in, and you can see a really crisp, really good look to it, and fills the whole screen, totally HD, really bright too, even though the room isn't super bright. You get a lot of detail, you see everything in the background, see the facial expressions really well. I think it's nicely mounted, so I'm centered in the frame here. Overall, just a really great camera for any of your video chat or recording or streaming needs.